you get your first car or anything that you really, really want, it's kind of like, damn, like, I can't believe I did it.
What's good, Lion family? If you're new, please like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell.
What it do, my line? What's good, man? If you're new, please like, comment, and subscribe, and turn that post notification bell on. Anyway, man, with that being said, let's get into it. Hope y'all having a wonderful, beautiful, magnificent day today. So today I'll be doing a mukbang. Well, yeah, this is my first little mukbang. I'm gonna just be going over. Really, I'm gonna just go over. Give me y'all updates on how stuff been treating me and stuff like that. Like I watched them treat me so far. But yeah, man. And also I'm probably talking about comparisons and stuff like that. But I'm gonna just come up with stuff to add in. I ain't gonna be no. I'm gonna talk about this, and that. I'm gonna mix stuff in. You feel me? So it ain't no thing, man. It ain't no thing, man. Yeah. So I have to go pick up my mom from the airport. She gonna be here to see me and stuff like that. But this just gonna be mainly just mukbangs. It ain't gonna, be no rollover stuff. Just try to keep things very short and content. Feel me? So with that being said, man, I'm gonna see y'all on the next parts. What's good, y'all? I made it here, man. Finna give me something to eat, and then just start this mukbang, man. Have to do a little self-cleaning or whatever, and it just kind of started me to death. But yeah, man, I'm gonna get in here, get some food. Me and you, we gonna have a chat, give you updates on how stuff is right now. So. Alright, thank you. What's good, y'all? I'm back. Yeah, man, I had to go get me something to drink, man. They got all the healthy options. Let's see. Right here. If y'all ever go to Chipotle, try their favorite, the berry agua brisket. Fire. So fire. I might mix a Sprite in here with it. I don't drink soda like that. I drink them every once in a while. It's bad for your skin and the sugar and stuff, the infections and all that. I'm supposed to tell y'all about that too. How the sugar affects the body and all that different stuff. So yeah. Alright. Look at me. Anyway, yeah, so trying to get my top. Shit, I can't get it. Got it. Ha, we out the door. What's good, y'all? Whatever that comes up in the next video, like, anything with the chewing, or if I accidentally chew my mouth open, man, please don't pay no mind to it. And two, I haven't had Chipotle in a while. That thing was busting for like almost 6 months I haven't had it. With that being said, let's get back into the video.
Alright, man. My bad. I have to, do some stuff. So yeah, I got a little time to talk and eat and stuff like that. So overall, how I'm doing? Okay. Honestly, I am doing just fine. By the way, it's a little bit different when you in your hometown, and then it's like you move to a whole different city. You just been on like you don't know what to do. It's kind of like you get your first like video game, or you get your first car, or anything that you really want. It's kind of like, damn, like I can't believe I did it, But yeah. So, excuse me, I got a phone call. Hold on. I'm so sorry, y'all. That was my mom. She called me. She told me that she basically made it here. But yeah, man. Ooh. They had the real. It's sure. Anyway, yeah, man. I just I got here. It's about one of the places I really wanted to stay in and stuff like that. Like I said, it started off my freshman year. I don't know if y'all heard it or whatever, or if y'all missed it, but yeah. So started off when I was in Houston and stuff. Like, I had a hard time applying for different jobs and stuff coming out of school, coming out of college. So after I done graduated and I tried to get a job, like the jobs in Texas, they didn't even like pick me or want me or anything. So I was just like, God must be trying to send me a message or something, like to move out or move somewhere different. But it was like it kind of got to me a little bit that my own hometown really didn't elect me for a job or anything. It's sad that another state picked me and willing to take me in. And what I learned about life is that you always want to go to the things that will accept you for who you are. You feel me? You don't want to go nowhere to where people like to give you a hard time, don't want to do nothing for you or anything like that. But another thing, when I got here, I had like $2,000 like when I came here. I came here off that amount, and I think a little bit more. I should rub around there. I had to pay for moving and stuff. I had to buy all this shit. Like, it really didn't. It was really expensive. Like, that stuff really adds up. My mom came down there. She helped me and stuff. And so after then, I have to buy the fridge and stove, all that other stuff, the washing machine, the dryer, the bed, the basic stuff that you don't need to fucking survive. Like, you need stuff to store food in and stuff like that. Cook, wash your clothes, buy soaps to wash your tail. They had to be getting comfortable in and stuff like that. So, yeah, man. I say, man, if you feel like you can't do it, you can do it. You can really do whatever it is that you want to do. Like, at first, I thought it was impossible that, I won't be able to ever get my own place or whatever. But you know, come to find out, you know what I'm saying, it's true. Like I really made this stuff work, and it's about that willpower, like that desire that you know you want to do it. Like when you show people that you want to do that you willing to put in the work, it's like, and you actually get whatever it is that you want or whatever. Like you gonna feel good about it, but also I want to you know, kind of motivate people that, you know, you can do it. You know, it's not too late, or you ever feel like you're a little down, or whatever case may be, or, you know, we all have our days to where we don't feel like doing certain things, but we got to do it. So, yo, so when I got here though, that first month, or even 2 months was hell. So boys sitting in the house, I just go out, see what the life scenes about, different stuff like that. You know, yeah, other than that, things are fine, working a lot. I'm happy. That's all that matters. I also want to show y'all the game on how to have forever happiness. The key to having forever happiness is understanding your environment and understanding the main thing to me is what you put in your body. If you get those two components down, I guarantee you, life will be a charm. I know there's so many people that ain't happy, that they wish they this and that. You know, just be thankful that you're living and stuff. You know, you going through stuff. Although you going through it, it's something at the end that's gonna really show up. So yeah, man. I just want to give y'all, you know, this is my little mukbang, you know. You know, the update on me. Oh, excuse me. I'm so sorry. Yeah. Good mukbang, man. I'm gonna get off. I'm gonna let y'all go because I got stuff to do, and I'll get my mama from this place. So if y'all new, man, go on, like, comment, subscribe, and turn that post notification bell. All my beautiful Lion Kings and Lion Queens. And boy Mufasa is out.